Thank you for watching as we take you on a journey into our loader factory. We closely listening to the needs and feedback of our customers. Our team of engineers and designers then take these insights and transform them into loader designs that not only meet but exceed industry standards. We take pride in our manufacturing facilities that are equipped with the latest technology and machinery. Every loader is crafted with precision and attention to detail, ensuring durability and reliability in the toughest working conditions. We view our dealers as partners in success. We provide comprehensive training, marketing support, and a seamless supply chain to ensure that our dealers can deliver the best loader solutions to their customers. Our success is measured by the quality of our loaders and the success of our dealer network. We take pride in the strong relationships we've built with our dealers over the years, and we are excited about the opportunities that lie ahead. To our potential dealer customers, we invite you to join our family and experience the difference that our loaders can make in your business. Together, we can reach new heights of success.